Healing Meditation Words for Beginners of Meditation Chapter 10. 1. All men tremble at punishment. All men fear death. Likening others to oneself. One should neither slay nor cause to slay. 2. All men tremble at punishment. All men love life. Likening others to oneself, one should neither slay nor cause to slay. 3. He who seeking his own happiness inflicts pain, strikes with a stick, on beings who, like himself, are desirous of happiness does not obtain happiness after death. 4. He who seeking his own happiness does not inflict pain, strike with a stick, on beings who, like himself, are desirous of happiness obtains happiness after death. 5. Do not speak anything harsh. Those who are spoken to will answer you in the same way. Since angry talk is painful, retaliation will touch you. 6. If you make yourself as still as a broken gong, you have attained nirvana, for agitation is not known to you. 7. Just as a cowherd with his staff drives the cows into the pasture ground, so old age and death drive the life of sentient beings into a new existence. 8. But a fool committing evil deeds does not know what is in store for him. The stupid man burns indeed through his own deeds, like one burned by fire. 9. He who inflicts punishment on those who do not deserve punishment and offends against those who are without offense soon comes to one of these 10 states. He may have cruel suffering, infirmity, injury of the body, heavy afflictions, dread diseases, or loss of mind, or a misfortune proceeding from the king, or a fearful accusation, loss of relations, or destruction of treasures. Or lightning fire burns his house, and when his body is dissolved the fool goes to hell. 10. Not nakedness, not matted hair, not dirt, literally mud, not fasting, not lying on the ground, not rubbing with ashes, literally dust, not sitting motionless purify a mortal who is not free from doubt. 11. He who though adorned, dressed in fine clothes, fosters the serene mind, is calm, controlled, is established in the Buddhist way of life, is chaste, and has ceased to injure all other beings, he indeed is a Brahmin, an ascetic, samana, a friar, a bhikkhu. 12. Is there in the world any man so restrained by modesty that he avoids censure as a well-trained horse avoids the whip? 13. Like a well-trained horse when touched by a whip, be strenuous and swift, and you will, by faith, by virtue, by energy, meditation, by discernment of the law, put aside this great sorrow of earthly existence, endowed with knowledge and good behavior and mindfulness. 14. Engineers who build canals and aqueducts lead the water where they like, fletchers make the arrow the straight, carpenters carve the wood, good people fashion discipline themselves.